How to visit Snowdonia. Great Little Chance of Woods. Great Little Chance of Woods are very special way of seeing some of the best centers in the Britain Isles. All are narrow gauge steam railways and some have a history spanning well over 100 years. All of them have in common in charm of old-time steam trains with plenty of polished paintwork and brass, built in a timeless history than our own. Most originally served to carry wealth settled from the quarry out to the sea. However, no two are the same and they all offer a unique experience of a big area. The special iteration of narrow gauge railways latest in their modest size compared with the mainline one and their lesser speed gives time to take in some of the speeding scans. Snowdonia's mountain rail